In this video, we are sharing with you the best hair care routine and hair care tips to stop hair fall, hair thinning and promote hair growth. No matter how trendy or how expensive your hair care product, it is what goes inside us that makes all the difference. So the number one tip to stop hair fall and promote hair growth is nutrition. Have 8 almonds and 2 walnuts. Soak them overnight and have it in the morning. Soaking your nuts will reduce the phytic acid which is there in them, and it will help our body absorb and utilize more nutrients. When we have foods rich in omega fatty acids, things like nuts, avocados, eggs and fish, you'll notice that your hair becomes thicker and it also becomes shinier. Then another food to include is whole grains and green leafy vegetables. They contain zinc which helps stop hair fall. Our hair is made up of proteins. So having protein rich foods will promote hair growth. Include foods like lentils, pulses, paneer, fish and lean meats in your diet to promote hair growth and stop hair fall. Stop sugar, stop eating junk foods. For 10 days, stop eating anything that comes out of a packet or stop eating anything that has added sugar in it. And you'll notice that within 10 days, your hair fall completely stops or gets drastically reduced. So instead of sweets, have fruits. Instead of packaged namkeens, have sprout salad. And instead of colas, have buttermilk, coconut water or plain water to quench your thirst. When we stop junk food, especially sugar, it reduces the stress on our body and our body can then focus on repairing and building our hair. Unlike other organs which are a priority for our body like our heart, kidney, liver, etc., the hair is something that the body can still live without. That is why repairing the hair can get sidelined by the body. And this is also one reason why hair loss in some cases may imply an underlying health issue. Oil your hair minimum twice a week, say on a Thursday and a Sunday. Use coconut oil or olive oil and massage the oil onto your scalp in a circular motion for minimum 10 to 20 minutes. Leave the oil for minimum 2 hours, and if you have dry or damaged hair, then leave it overnight and wash it the next day. Oiling your hair will make the hair roots stronger because it will improve the blood circulation on your scalp, and this will also promote hair growth naturally. Avoid oils that have chemicals in them, things like color or fragrance. For example, some oils look green in color to show that they have amla in them, or some may look red in color to show they have hibiscus in them. Some may have a jasmine fragrance in them. So it is when you use oils like these, the chemicals that also gets absorbed into our body. So the best thing is to use natural oils which has natural extracts and no added color or fragrance. Avoid using excess chemicals on your hair. Avoid bleaching your hair, highlighting it and coloring it unnecessarily. This will prevent your hair from premature graying and will retain your hair's original color for longer. Avoid harsh shampoos that are loaded with chemicals. A good shampoo is one that will make your hair feel clean, smooth and nice. And this varies from person to person. Wash your hair not more than twice in a week. Do not wash your hair daily because that will strip the moisture off your hair and will make it dry and damage it in the long run. Also, use tap water or lukewarm water during winters to wash your hair. At all costs, avoid hot water for a head wash. Comb your hair 3 to 4 times in a day. Combing your hair improves the blood circulation, it strengthens the roots, detangles your hair and makes your hair look great throughout the day. Avoid combing when your hair is wet because that is when the hair is weakest and it may also cause hair loss. Also, when you're combing or detangling, use a wide tooth comb and be gentle on your hair. Trim your hair every 4 to 6 months to avoid split ends and help hair growth. Avoid heat treatments on your hair. Excess blow drying or using straighteners makes your hair dry, damaged and also causes hair fall. Stress causes a lot of hair fall. We'll all always have stress. We just need to know how to manage it and not let it affect us. Go for a walk, speak to your friends, listen to some music and stay close to nature. These are things that will help manage our stress. Try to be patient and do not get angry at the drop of a hat because this not only affects our health, it also causes hair loss. We'll now share a head pack recipe to stop hair fall, promote hair growth, prevent dandruff and also prevent premature hair graying. Take some henna powder. To this, add some shikakai powder and add an equal quantity of amla powder. Then add some water to make it into a paste and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. Before applying, you can add some curd or an egg. Apply this pack on your hair from the root to the tip and leave it on for 20 to 40 minutes and then wash it off. If you have excess hair fall, then apply this pack once in a week and within 4 weeks you'll notice that your hair fall either stops or gets drastically reduced. So to sum it up, eat healthy, nutritious foods. Avoid junk foods, especially sugar. Oil your hair twice a week. Avoid using excess chemicals. Do not use harsh shampoos. Do not comb when your hair is wet. Avoid using excessive heat treatments on your hair. Reduce your stress levels and also put an all-natural head pack to stop hair fall, hair thinning and promote hair growth. With this, we come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find the information helpful. Don't forget to leave your likes, comments, subscribe to our channel and share our YouTube video so that together we can spread good health and happiness all around us. And Health Lifestyle says bye-bye for now and we'll meet you in our next video. Bye!